and welcome to Rocky Rabbit's basic tutorial part 4. And in this tutorial we're going to be talking about the various levels and tournaments and how to navigate through them. And if this is your first time talking about, I want to say a big thank you to you. I appreciate you so much. And for all returning subscribers, Grash, merci beaucoup. Alright, let me know in the comments where you're watching from and how far you've gone with your Rocky Rabbit. Have you started already? What level are you? Which tournament are you playing right now? Okay, and also you can go ahead and subscribe, like and share this video, as well as to get started with Rocky Rabbit. You need a link. You want to get it in the description of this video to get started. You can also be receiving regular updates and support on my Telegram channel. Get link in the description. So in this video, we're going to be looking at the levels. First off, we'll start with the levels. So I tap here for us to start from the levels. So I'm going to scroll back to the beginning. So this is the beginning. If you just pick a link from the description of this video right now it's loading. Now you can hear noise in the background. Please pardon me for that noise. I'm actually in camp, all right, and in camp here network is not very strong because of the population, the crowd of people here, and children and teenagers. Everybody is running around to get fixed. So that's why I have to be switching from network to network to ensure that I deliver. Now if I want to wait until I'm out of here, I may not be able to present you any of this for the next 1 week. So you just have to bear with me for any noise in the background, okay? Thank you very much for understanding. All right, so now the avatar for this is still rolling, but this is where everyone gets started at. Now you can see I've completed it. From here you move on to freshman tournaments. So Rocky Rabbit plays in tournaments and you keep on preparing for the next tournaments, and the time comes when it will be a fight. There will be fights between friends you have brought into the system. We need to bring friends into the system by referral. And what we are doing is to prepare for, as we enjoy the game, when the rabbit coin is listed, we could receive some airdrops. All right, so that's what we're doing. Yes, I may not be able to tell you how much the airdrop may be worth. There's some could receive $100, some $500, some $1,000, some $5,000 or $10,000. You never can tell. So just go ahead and play the game and enjoy the game first. So the next is, after freshman, is Ember tournaments. So from newcomer to freshman tournament to Ember tournament to Spectre tournament, from Spectre to Enigma tournament, from Enigma tournament to Arcane tournaments, and then from there you go on to the next tournament, which is Apex tournaments, and then from there you enter the Vanguard tournaments. I think this highest there, okay, this is Zenith. From Zenith you now go to the Titan tournament. Titan tournament is the very highest of it all, the tallest, the topmost of them all. So we are going to play them, and I trust that before the airdrop happens you would have gotten to a Titan tournament. So let's go back. So now, in the last tutorial, part 3 of this, I upgraded to this level before you. So we're going to be looking at what can hinder your upgrade. Number one, for you to even upgrade, you need to have tapped and gathered enough coins, and you need to have enough points to pay for cards that will enable you to upgrade. And even while paying for those cards, one card may get connected to another card, so you need to have the coins resources to buy them. All right, now if you check up here, you can see my total end coins, about 91 million, 91.6 million precisely. But here I have 18 million. Where did the others go? The others have been used to purchase cards, and these cards have helped in 2 things. One, my income power, and then also impacted on my level. So we're going to do upgrade right now. So that is how you upgrade. So after you've tapped come, remember to always tap. And this tapping is part of the gameplay. You're tapping and tapping. So I have 15,000 here as my energy limit. That's how much I've grown. The account has grown. The level upgrade affects that also. And you can also buy it, from the boost section. You can buy it, with this, the multi-tap from tap one. Check the last video so that I don't have to go over it again. Now I'm going to use this full energy and turbo and demonstrate how they work so that you know that you need to use them. Mine is at 10 now, okay? Yours will not be at 10. Yes, it will be at 10. I think for some it may start at 3/3. Then as you're graduating in level, it keeps also growing. At some point I was 3, then I think 5, from 5 to 7, then 8, and then now it's 10. Okay, by the time I get to the next new level, it probably would increase. Okay, so now make sure you always tap and tap with multiple fingers. That way you finish tapping on time, particularly if you have plenty of energy limit like mine here is 15,000. Okay, so let me exhaust this and then I will quickly show you the turbo. The turbo is 3/3. I think that it doesn't change whether you're on level 0 or that's newcomer or you are fresh man tournament, you are at that level. The turbo is still the same. I think it's 3/3. That means you're offered 3 times turbo per day. You're going to see how the turbo works now. So I've exhausted this one and I'm going to go to boost now. So I'll pick full energy. Now initially, once you take one, the timing to give you at this initial stage there will be 1 hour, I think, or more. Gradually it keeps on, as you keep on upgrading your level, it keeps on reducing the time of waiting time for using this one. Like now it's showing me 30 minutes now. That means it's 30 minutes now. At one point it was 1 hour, another point was about 40 something minutes. Now I can see 29 minutes now. So next thing I will pick the turbo mode to enter. So look at how it's going to work now. It's going to multiply the tapping by several times over. You can see it's at 80 now, plus 80 now, and this also makes the energy to be exhausted faster. Along with all of this is also impacting on the energy. So you can see energy is now 5,000. I didn't really tap so fast and enough, so if not, probably this thing would have been less than 5,000 remaining. But still, you can see that he has actually drastically reduced the balance in the energy limit. So that's how that turbo works. That remaining one, I'm not going to use it because I won't use it yet, rather, because after 30 minutes, 29 minutes, this one will be full again, ready for use again. As I use that one, I use that turbo to finish it on time. Then we'll now wait for the 6th one, which I will now be doing without that. Maybe in the course of time, we will find out if the turbo will in any way also be increased. Do you understand? So but let's continue. So now I want to upgrade. So let's go ahead to tap on the upgrade. Now you see this is the card to upgrade. Remember that here I'm on level 2 in the Arcane tournament, level 2. So I want to get to level 3 now. So once I buy this now, it will take me to level 3 on the Arcane tournament. So check. You see I'm on level 3 now. Next I want to upgrade again. So it will take me to this one again. I buy. And as I'm buying the cards, it's also increasing my profits, my income. You can see I'm on 273.5k now. So I can see that my coin balance have dropped to 6 million points plus, from 18 million. Now next, you can see here now, you need to tap now 82%. So it needs to get to the level. So you can see that there's no upgrade here because it's not yet time. So it requires up to 2% before I can upgrade again. You get that? So we keep on tapping and working until we are able to build it up and stack it up. This is the ranking. This is the ranking for this level. I still have a lot of work to do though. So that's it. Now at this point, I believe you have learned something. Number one, That's how the profit per hour increases through your buying of cards. Number two, you have learned about the various tournaments or levels, okay, from the newcomer to the freshman and so on. Then after that, you've seen how you can upgrade. All right, so this was my 83% completed. Then I can now go for upgrade. So you have to keep waiting for race to happen. So when it happens, you can then upgrade again. Perhaps in the next video I'll be making, when it's time tomorrow for the daily combo, we might upgrade this again. By then this would have completed 100% ready for upgrade. Okay, so if you got value with this video, you want to give it a thumbs up. In other words, like it, share it, let your loved one and those you know learn how this works, because this is this is business, seriously, and I treat it as one. So we have to learn to start with it as business, not just to play a game for fun. I play to win, because footballers play the game they love, and they get paid. Basketballers, tennis players, and so on. So why can't you also play Web3 games that you love and also get paid? All right, I appreciate you so much for your time, and keep learning, keep improving, keep getting better, and keep making money. God bless you.